Hello, I'm John Howard. This is the Auto Ordnance Boot Camp. Today we will talk about how to tear down your 1911. Step 1. Always make sure the magazine is removed and inspect to ensure the pistol is not loaded. Step 2. Rest the pistol on the heel of the butt with the grip safely on a table or bench. Step 3. Push the slide back about 1/4 inch, press down on the recoil spring plug, and at the same time rotate the barrel bushing clockwise about 1/4 turn, using a barrel bushing wrench if necessary. This will free the plug and recoil spring. Keep pressure on the plug to prevent it from being ejected by the spring, then allow the plug and spring to gradually extend out of the slide. Step 4. Remove the plug from the spring. Step 5. Cock the hammer by pulling back on the hammer spur. Step 6. Pull the slide stop to the rear until the lug on the slide stop is aligned with the disassembly notch. Push inward on the end of the slide stop shaft from the right side of the pistol. Then remove the slide stop from the left side. Step 7. Push the slide forward off the frame. Step 8. Turn the slide upside down and lift the recoil spring and guide, pulling them rearward out of the slide. Step 9. Turn the barrel bushing counterclockwise, then push the barrel and bushing forward until the bushing is clear of the slide. Then remove the bushing from the barrel. Step 10. Push the barrel link forward and remove the barrel from the slide. This has been the Auto Ordnance Boot Camp. If you would like more information about the GI 1911 or other Auto Ordnance products, please visit autoordnance.com.